Welcome to Trive. In this tutorial, we will learn how to get started with Trive Social. Step 1. Navigate to the account page and tap on Settings. On the next page, tap on Trading Account, then tap on the plus icon on the top left corner of your app screen. Step 2. Once you are in the account details page, select the correct server for your trading account, enter the empty account number and key in your password. Tap on Provide Signals and select the checkbox. Verify that all details entered are correct and then tap on the blue Done button. Once you have successfully linked your trading account to be a provider on the Trive Social app, you will need to set a provider fee. Step 3. Navigate to the Accounts tab on the bottom of your app screen. Select I want to charge a fee and complete the Signal application form when prompted. Step 4. Select the fee level for your provider account. The performance fee is a percentage of any profit made by your copiers and cannot exceed 50%. The fee is charged when a profit is made your copiers over a high water mark. Please note that once you have set the performance fee, any updates or changes made will only reflect for future copiers. Step 5. Select Agree and Update to complete the provider sign-up process. Enjoy seamless copy trading with Trive Social, where your journey mirrors success. Download now.